What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we just came with the punch tracker. Here's that. Here's the actual bag itself. These here are how you mount it. And this is the cell phone holder. So let's see how easy this is going to be to put together. I'm going to have to check out these instructions. Oh yeah, this is quick and simple. Right on, let's go. Super easy installation. Got a little push pin right here.
Nothing.
Open her up.
Where's the house that got
Boom, boom. Tighten it up.
It's not here. I had to cut off your
Let's get the bag.
I'm sure hell is close by. Stop this.
Heck yeah.
Not anymore.
This thing's sweet.
When you didn't come back from England,
That
you
rhythm. This thing is perfect. Uppercuts. Quiet punch. Boom. Alright guys, so we got it all set up. Let's try one of these 1000K a day. Started out at 200 because I did 2 minutes of this already before I started the camera, just to make sure it was working right. Like that.
That's why you allow me to tell you.
Got my chanclas on. Alright, 300 punches in 3 minutes. That's perfect because as a fighter you want to be landing about 60, 70 punches at least per round. Good fighters will land 80, 90 punches. But that's like a constant punch, like punch, 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 footwork. If you find a doorway, kind of like this doorway right here, you could swing your hook around the corner, pow, and actually get power into your hook. You know, like stand over around the corner from that and just. But you can do it with your lead hand too.
Such a terrible at that time. We were in the scriptorium, illuminating the words on the. He may even have painted icons. Although, of course, he would have to sign.
This is going to be good shoulder endurance training.
Race the figure of his life. Perhaps it was all part of culture. And she was unlikely. Which doesn't make it untrue.
And good practice for the pop shots.
Who must have not to put that into my mind? There is something else I might consider. Stop conducting all your business in Latin. Most people don't speak Latin, so they think of you as superior.
Keep that rhythm. 1208. We went over.
I do not
That's
want to be
alright.
right.
Keep going for the last 30 seconds.
I want to believe that there is someone who never dies.
1200 punches ain't even a damn warm up, to be honest. I haven't even started to sweat. 1300. So I did 1100 in 10 minutes.
High five.
Let's go. Cool stuff. I like it. I'm gonna get a drink of water and I'll be back.